So, you'd like to plant an apple tree. You need to find, firstly, a position for your apple tree. So here, round the back of the sheds, it's going to get a lot of shelter, but more importantly, we're in a position which is south facing, so the apple tree is going to get a lot of sun. Just have a look at the size of the pot, right? The hole that you want to be digging is probably double the width and double the depth as well. So just going to put that on there. Get your spade. If you've got some boots on, which you probably should have, push it down with your foot. Get right in there. So we've got a hole. Take your pot off the apple tree. It's important to note at this point, if you just grab the roots out, this one's been in the pot a little bit too long I think, you just grab the roots out, then that stops them from growing continuously in the shape of the pot. So let's put that down. Also have a think about where the branches are in your apple tree. You're obviously not going to have it pointing like that, so think about where it's going to be standing up straight. The soil that we've got here is quite good already, but what you might want to do just to help it along is put some multi-purpose compost around the bottom. I'm just going to fill the sides like that. As you're doing that, just make sure that you're tucking in the soil round the base so it's not too loose. Give it a little tamp down, and then there you go, apple tree's in ground. It's in a south facing position where it's going to get lots of sun, but we've also put it around the back of the shed so it's nice and sheltered. Another thing that you're going to need to do, because these suckers, as we call them, are going to steal all the energy that actually you need further up the tree. So get your secateurs, just get in there and slice these off. As always, anything that you plant, make sure you water it as well.